What is up, folks? So it is Tuesday the 13th of December, and I am here at War Route Market having kind of a slow day here in Chiang Mai. We're in the center of this market. It kind of has a bit of everything. It's got food, clothing, cleaning supplies, 3 stories. It goes through the whole neighborhood, and as you can see, tons of dry goods. Sophia over here is buying some curry paste, or attempting to find some. So you can see like these massive vats of it. There's an active spot where you can buy cooked food, and then there's also markets all around the outside surrounding this place. So cooking supplies, cooking gear, things like woks. This is a great place to come look for stuff. Also, if you're looking for like souvenirs surrounding the area, there's tons of places that are selling t-shirts and traditional, gifts and things like that. So really great area to come and get some of your shopping done if you're looking for stuff in Chiang Mai. Alrighty, folks, it's about that time. Getting on the plane here in Chiang Mai down to Bangkok. It is Wednesday, December 14th. And yeah, I'm actually a little too early. The paperwork said even though it's domestic, show up 3 hours early, and more like 2. But the gate's not open yet, so chilling here, having a little bit of food. There's not much to eat, so I ended up getting Starbucks. Not really my go-to. Rather have something else, but there wasn't very many other options open right now. I have to say, I'm curious to see how this vlog is going to turn out. I just want to thank everybody that I've met on the trip. This trip has really become about the people more than just the sites or attractions, and oftentimes when I travel it's kind of based on trying to achieve a goal of reaching a place or seeing new things, and this really became a trip about focusing on people and relationships. So we're just dropping up here in Chiang Mai. Gotta go see Duen, my friend from university down in Bangkok, and have a bit of a day together. And then we'll be heading off to the next location. So I will see you folks down in Bangkok. Folks, we are here back in Bangkok. Officially, I've met up with Duen, the one and only, and she has procured a massage for us, a Thai massage, but pretty excited. Can't have too many Thai massages while in Thailand, so hoping this works out. Second, hold on a second. Duen just gave a fun fact that's absolutely crazy that I've never known. So here, walk us through this again.
So that's a bag. So like in the restaurant in Thai, we believe like that lady will kind of help them to get more customers. So it's more like lucky charm and stuff.
So the human doing the cat form will bring in more customers by doing the hand shape?
No, just this hand shape.
Yeah, this hand shape.
Yeah.
And what she means is this statue over here is doing kind of like a cat's paw. I'll zoom it in so you can see it. What? I've seen this before. I had no idea. Man, I feel like I'm learning something new even when I'm not intentionally trying to learn anything during the day. All right, we're here at the massage school. So Unfortunately, when Duen and I went into the massage parlor, we were not actually allowed to film. This was a student-led massage parlor. So as you can see here, if you're not familiar with Thai massage, it is a full-body experience for both the masseuse and the person being massaged. So as you can see by the images that I'm showing here, that Thai massage is actually done on the floor on like a flat mat, and it's almost like a form of yoga for both the masseuse and the client. Thai massage has a long history, and it's said that it actually derives from the physician to Buddha, with some of his origins coming from India and then being solidified in Thailand, and it's been being done for about 2,500 years, if you can believe it. So, as you can see here, these are some really interesting images, and just to give you guys a little bit of a window and insight of what you might be getting into when you decide to have a Thai massage.
I just want to document the sweet ride I'm being chauffeured around in. See this? Look at this. Duen got me in the Mercedes out here. I've upgraded, guys. I've gone from tuk-tuks and motorcycles to the bourgeoisie. I'm officially now part of the elite of Thailand.
No!
Look at this baller in here.
All right, folks, we are heading to a night market, wrapped up dinner.
And where are we going?
John Fair?
Oh yeah, Jodd Fair.
JODD Fair Market. Alright, dinner's over. First dessert of the evening, Babin.
Babin. Yeah.
Okay.
Babin.
Oh, this is really good. Whoa. I don't even know how to describe it. Alright, yo, so we're at this ice cream place that makes crazy flavored ice cream. Check this out. Sour mango with sweet fish. We got guava with sweet fish sauce. We got American fried rice, barbecue grilled pork, salted mackerel. Did you say it was the carota?
No.
Mixed with sour, yeah. We got the sour mango with sweet fish. This is Duen's second bite. What are we ranking it? What does it taste like? Is it weird? Is it? It was shrimp and ice cream, folks. When in Asia. Okay. All right, here we go. This one's got some shrimp in it. I don't like that it works. I don't like that. It makes me weird. It's kind of good though. Wow.
Super weird, but it works. Asia does that again. Weird combination. Shouldn't work together, but it does. Purely for informational purposes only, but marijuana has become legal in Thailand, interestingly enough. Thailand has always been a country that you've been able to party and do your thing and kind of slide under the radar, and everyone kind of looks the other way. But this is the first time that the government has decided that marijuana will be recreationally legal as well as medically legal. As soon as the country had made it medically legal, I guess there had been some confusion or there has been some lack of enforcement, but now marijuana is recreationally legal and pretty much available everywhere. So Duen and I had a really interesting opportunity to kind of sit down with a tuk-tuk driver and learn a little bit about the tuk-tuk community and what it means to
the city of Bangkok and the greater Thailand. So the gentleman we spoke to shared 3 really interesting facts with us. The first being that tuk-tuks cost about $20,000 USD, and that may sound like a lot, but it's a very exclusive community, and it's like a big cultural pride of the city of Bangkok and Thai people. The second fact, which is kind of a sub-fact of this, is that there is no more permits being issued by the Thai government. So when you buy a tuk-tuk, you buy the license and permitting with it. One of the issues this community is having is that people from outside Thailand or wealthy Thais are buying tuk-tuks as a novelty or something cool to have. But what happens is when that tuk-tuk is bought and it leaves the community, that permit is lost to the community as well. The third fact we learned, which I think is a major reason why people participate in the tuk-tuk community, is that tuk-tuks have 0 restrictions on where they can pick people up around the city of Bangkok. So that means services like Grab, which is very similar to Lyft, or taxis are restricted to where they can pick people up. So if you are able to acquire a tuk-tuk and get the permit, it really expands where you can carry out your business throughout the city of Bangkok. It's official. I'm saying goodbye to Duen. I'm gonna head to my hostel. This is the hostel owner right here. Very nice. Alrighty. Again, I'll see you.
See you around.
Yeah, we'll do. Catch you later. Alright.
Okay. And what is your YouTube
I
channel?
do a travel YouTube. So mine is called Long Way to Go. All right, folks, we are here in the happy hostel, staying here for the airport. It's just me tonight. There's a little family that owns it. Alrighty, folks, so it is about 12:30 a.m. and I'm about to head to sleep. But before I did want to show you guys the room here at the hostel I'm staying at. I didn't show it earlier. Pretty remedial, pretty basic. Really just to get the job done. It is about 5 minutes from the airport. The family here is so sweet and amazing. Where I'd leave it with the recommendation is that if you're really sensitive to noise, this is probably not the spot for you. But purely if you want to support a great family, then this is a great spot to stay. That being said, I am going to hit the hay, get about 5.5, 6 hours of sleep, and then I will see you guys at the airport tomorrow. Alrighty, folks, well, that's a wrap here. I'm on the plane for Korean Airlines, getting ready to leave Bangkok, Thailand. It's been an amazing trip. Just want to thank you guys for traveling with me. Thank you for the willingness to subscribe. Please like, subscribe. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm. Lets me know that I'm recording and creating content that you guys enjoy. Again, my name is Zach Jones. This is a long way to go, and I will see you in the next adventure.